All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to round corners really precisely. So I have text here. I'm going to create outlines on it so I can actually modify the letters themselves, and that does group them. So I'm going to ungroup. Now I've got each letter here individually. So I select these with the normal selection tool, the black arrow up here, nothing happens. But if I hit the direct selection, which is the white arrow, you see I get these little guys. Those are called corner widgets. If you go to view, and you can see I have hide corner widgets because mine are already visible. But if I go down here, show corner widgets, so you might need to do that. And now if you click on the object itself, not on a path, you can do this, right? And you can change all the radius. But what you may need to do here is you can grab an individual one. You can draw a little box around it like that, or just click directly on the anchor point, and then you can just do one, right? That's pretty cool. But if you want even more precise, radius, then double click on that little guy. I'm going to put 50 pixels here. You can see that there's a couple different bevel options, but I'm going to put 50 pixels and boom. Now I have a perfect 50 pixel radius. So maybe that's something you need, or you want to be able to control to do it consistently. That's fine. And you can drag these back, and some of them might be a little weird if a font does have a little rounded edge on it already and it won't let you do it. Double click on it and just put that to 0. And yeah, you're back to like just having a perfect square. It happens sometimes on like even X's. They're kind of common to have it, but see, I can't move that one. It has a tiny little radius on it, so that's what it is. So I'm going to put this back to 0. Now I can move it. See? So that's that. You can reset those guys like that. You can just have complete control over it. So really handy. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.